All right. Oh, tell us what you're doing.
So I'm putting it all down. He could come out.
Oh yeah? What's that?
This is a Batmobile. It opens over there. There's a couple weapons inside. And this is how you close them. You put them back up. You might have not saw this yet.
Yeah.
But now at the back, then has the same thing at the background.
Oh. And how many pieces are in this?
This is 955.
Oh yeah?
And then you could go straight inside.
Oh, I can go back in. Uh-oh. Look at that piece.
That does not. That. Wait a minute. That does not come with. Wait a minute. I'll check something first. Oops, there was an accident. They should see my.
Oh, good. They can see you doing repairs already, too.
Oops, I even accidentally broke this. But now it's all open. And now I could put this guy inside.
Nice.
Now he's locked in there when we put these up.
Cool.
Thought something was wrong. These just move.
All right, cool.
So that's what this is. Okay, stop.